Welcome to Manitech, where innovation meets exhilaration. In the world of speed and luxury, a dark horse has emerged, shattering expectations and setting new records. The Tesla Roadster, an all-electric supercar, is not just rewriting the rules of speed, it's redefining what it means to be efficient and eco-friendly. The Roadster's performance is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.1 seconds or covering a quarter mile in a mind-boggling 8.8 seconds. And it doesn't stop there. The Roadster boasts a top speed of over 400 kilometers per hour, a feat that leaves even the most seasoned speed enthusiasts in awe. But the Roadster isn't just about speed, it's about pushing boundaries and setting new standards. With a wheel torque of 10,000 Newton meters and a range of 1,000 kilometers, the Roadster is ushering in a new era of efficiency and sustainability in the supercar industry, and it's not just a two-seater sports car. The Roadster is the first supercar to set every performance record and still fit seating for 4. Plus it comes with a lightweight, removable glass roof that stores in the trunk, offering an open-air convertible driving experience. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has said that the Roadster should ship in 2025. Musk said in a tweet that higher performance trim levels will be available beyond the base specifications, including a SpaceX package that would include 10 small rocket cold air thrusters arranged seamlessly around the car, which would supposedly allow for dramatic improvements in acceleration, top speed, braking and cornering, such as a claimed 1.1 second 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per h time. Now let's turn our attention to the competition. Traditional supercar manufacturers have always prided themselves on their roaring engines and their gas-guzzling power. But when the Roadster arrives, these titans of the industry may need to rethink their strategies. The Roadster's record-setting performance and efficiency, combined with its all-electric powertrain, make it a formidable contender. It's a clear indication that the future of the supercar industry is electric. The Tesla Roadster is expected to usurp the Rimac Nevera as the world's fastest accelerating production car. Initially, the base model of the Roadster was listed on Tesla's website with a price tag of $200,000. However, the first 1,000 units, dubbed the Founders Series, will be offered at $250,000 each. Customers interested in pre-ordering the Founders Series are required to make a full payment upfront. Subsequently, Tesla removed the price from the website, leaving only the deposit or reservation cost for the base model, which stands at $50,000. And while the exact details and pricing are yet to be unveiled, it's clear that the Roadster is set to make a significant impact on the supercar industry. In conclusion, the Tesla Roadster is more than just a supercar. It's a symbol of change, a testament to innovation, and a beacon for the future. It's a car that proves performance and efficiency can go hand in hand, and it's setting a new standard that other supercars will have to strive to match. Thank you for joining us at Manitech. If you enjoyed this insight into the Tesla Roadster and its potential impact on the supercar industry, consider subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road ahead because it's going to be an electrifying ride.